Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's kitchen. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time here, in today's video we are going to be making grilled turkey tail with fried cocoyam, and I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. It's simple and also you can have this for lunch. And if you do enjoy this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and also comment. So let's get started. So I have here turkey tails. I have some onions, ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic. My spices, I have all-purpose seasoning, chicken stock seasoning, and cocoyam. I'll start by cleaning the turkey tails very well with some lemons, and then we'll continue with the proceedings. Next, I'll go ahead and cut each turkey tail into few pieces, and once it's done, I'll transfer them into another bowl and set it aside. And I'll continue by chopping some onions, ginger, and blend with the scotch bonnet pepper. So now cut some onions, ginger, garlic, and I'll add the scotch bonnet pepper together with some dry rosemary and some dry oregano, and I'll blend it very well. I'll now transfer the turkey tails into another saucepan. I'll add the seasoning and some salt, and I'll cook on a low heat for about 10 minutes. So I'll go ahead and season it with some homemade seasoning powder, paprika powder, chicken stock seasoning, and a little bit of salt. I'll cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. I'll also be adding a pinch of food color just to change the color of the turkey tail, but it's completely optional. But for Ghana street food with the turkey tails, mostly they use a little bit of food color to make it attractive, but it's completely optional. I wouldn't advise to use food color, but for presentation purposes, and this is how they make it in Ghana to make the turkey tail attractive. So at this point it's almost done cooking, and once it's done cooking, I'll transfer them onto a strainer, let it cool down a little bit, and then I'll transfer them onto a baking tray. I'll air fry it or grill it for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's all done. So mention it in the comment section if you have tried turkey tails before. Well, I have tried it before and it tasted very, very nice. Next, I'll peel and cut the cocoyam into smaller pieces. I'll now wash it very well, and after washing I'll add a pinch of salt, soak it for a few minutes, and then I'll continue by frying them. So I've already preheated my oil. I'm now going to transfer them into the oil, fry it and stir for a few minutes until it's well cooked and crunchy. You can also use yam for this recipe. You can also have your turkey tail with yam, or it can be eaten by itself or with some fresh chili pepper or some black chili sauce, which is shito, and it's one of Ghana's most popular street food and very easy and simple to cook for your lunch. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and you'll try it. And please, if you have enjoyed until this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. And to my new and returning subscribers, thank you all so much for supporting my channel. I hope you have enjoyed this simple, delicious turkey tail with fried cocoyam, with shito paired with some red chili sauce. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Have a blessed week. Bye.